Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CitiBank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL citi.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to this page and click on the sign on button at the top right. So then you'll be forwarded to this page and scroll down and click on register for online access. After you do that, you'll need to enter some of your information here. So enter your debit card or credit card number or your bank account number or your Paycheck Protection Program loan account number. Once you enter your information, click on continue setup. After that, you'll be headed to the further processes and you'll need to enter some of your information there. And after you fill all your information, your CitiBank account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Citi online banking account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.